Here's the train, the EJ&E 765 that the K-Devils is going to renovate with a grant we received from the Legacy Foundation and U.S. Steel. First thing to do is to clean up the trees in front. Big branch hanging down low. Can't see the train. This middle tree is quite sick and completely blocks the view in the middle. And over here, this third tree has a branch there hanging down in front. It doesn't look too bad now because the leaves are gone, but when the leaves are here, it really blocks the view. So we've got this big beautiful train. Nobody can even see it as they drive by. So the biggest issue to be repaired is rust. You know, you got these kind of things, rust and paint, of course. Gonna repaint it. On the front, you can really see some rust areas, stains and whatnot. And over here, just the same thing. Back here on this side, we're going to build the access ramp like a small deck so you can actually see inside the cab. See what it looks like in there. We will also put a board, a blocking barrier, so people can't climb in. Because right now you could just literally grab up and climb in there. You can see it's not all that inviting. Inside that coal bin, there's a tree growing, so we gotta dig out whatever dirt is there, make that flow through. Again, obviously needs paint there. Redo the white wheels, the white tires. That's an original paint job, I believe. And there's the back of it. Nice to get these lamps working. I'm not sure that's not in the budget, but should look a lot better when we're done.